My name is Meelis Kipuspuu and I am a GLS leader in Estonia. In Global Leadership Summit 2006 in Finland, my life was actually changed. I was quite burnt out in these times already and thinking about quitting my work in the church. So I just attended the summit, didn't know what to wait from it, but it just had such a great and strong message to me. And actually I kind of made also commitment that if there would be any possibility to help in GLS or help it to come into Estonia, then I would do that gladly. And as I know there are so many leaders in Estonia in such a situation as I was in 2006, our history is quite complicated and we have stepped from the communism into capitalism, and so people during the times have got quite cold about faith issues and about churches. They think that churches are quite old-fashioned, and our church leaders have sometimes also lost their hope already that the church can actually make some difference in the society. That's, I think, one of the biggest challenges, how to get our leaders more encouraged to go out and reach people. My hopes and dreams for Estonian leaders through GLS are at first personal, that these leaders who attend our GLS, they would really be transformed. We actually have also dreamed that we can meet non-Christian leaders, because we have grown to be the biggest leadership event in Estonia nowadays, and we have had some secular business leaders in our conferences, and we really hope that we can have some kind of input to these leaders.